up, YouTube? We're about to get into this burping video that someone requested. So, I'm gonna do this one video, guys. Okay? Yeah, because I've been saying I do it, so I'm gonna do it now. So a lot had happened today, right? It was like this. It was like this. Well, a lot of situations going on today in the world. It was like this serious fire. And it's so sad. And I don't want to go into all the details. It was just very sad. And I'm sure that everyone knows what I'm talking about. And I feel that everybody should help out the best way that they could, because it's really important. Like, they are really in need right now. What I wanted to say was, I also had some situations go on between yesterday and today, and it just a lot happening. It's a lot happening, and it wasn't any good news. So it seems like to me, from like the beginning, before even the beginning of the year, like New Year's Eve, it seemed like it's all started, right? It's that everything around me was just happening that wasn't a good thing. And I just felt like, we bring in these New Years and we don't know what's going to happen within that New Year. So, honestly, I don't even celebrate those anymore. I really don't. Because I don't know what I'm celebrating. The thing I can say is that I thank God that, we're still here. We're still breathing. But, no one knows what's going to happen. No one knows what any given time is going to bring anything. So, we just really have to be thankful that we're here, and we still gotta continue on the best way that we can. It's hard out here, and everything is getting worse and worse and worse. It's not gonna get any better. I'm sorry to say that, but it's just getting worse and worse and worse. So only the strong survive, guys. So we really have to try our best to still continue to live life the best way that we can. Excuse me, my camera is falling, and I want to show him because he's in this burping video as well. Oh, yeah, so it's a lot going on, and and it's a time for people to help everybody, to try to help out the best way that they can. And no one really, nobody needs to be, evil. No one needs to be doing evil things. They really don't. Everybody need to help each other out. We need to get past this evil stuff. It really makes no sense. It's just too much going on. It really is. We gotta deal with going through sickness and this and that, and then and then all the chaos that people bring forth for no reason. It's chaotic. I really try to live stress free, but I tell you, that really becomes very, very hard to do in this society. In this world today, it's very difficult to be stress free. I mean, It seems like no matter how much I try to avoid it, it's gonna happen. Oh wow. And I really don't like drinking sodas, but I have to do it for the purpose of this video. I really don't like drinking sodas. That's not my forte. I usually just drink water and milk, you know, or maybe juice now and then, but I'm gonna stop drinking juice as well. Yeah, so guys, I checked out Power. I ain't gonna even lie, like, I didn't see that in a while. That is getting so exciting. I know one thing, I don't understand why they trying to blame Tommy and stuff for something, because you know he's gonna come back and it's gonna be something going on. For real. I don't know why they put that man's name in it. And now I think they're trying to blame someone else. Like, how you do that? We already know Tommy is no joke, so I don't understand why they would try to put his name there just because he's not there. So yeah, it's really exciting. It's really exciting. It's getting exciting, really. So, you know, I'm looking forward to seeing it because I haven't seen Power actually until since the last one, like the beginning when Tommy had disappeared out of the picture. He had left and went somewhere on vacation. Not just vacation, he had left, I think. And that was the very last time I saw it. But I was trying to see it, but for some reason I couldn't get it on Stars, so I wasn't able to get it. But my son finally got it on. I am so happy because I missed so many episodes, but I'm trying to catch up with it right now because it is really getting interesting. So for you guys that didn't see it, you need to go check that out. I heard it's another show on that I need to see too, but I haven't seen it, so I'm gonna check that out. But I tell you, those are really some good actors. I'm not gonna lie. Oh gosh. I'm really not in a great mood right now. I'm not gonna even lie, like, I am kind of stressed out. I try not to let it get to me, but people I care about, you know, it's kind of hard to not be stressed when you know they're going through things and you just don't know how to comfort them. You know, you try, but you don't know how to comfort them. And what's even worse when people just don't even let you know what's going on in their life. And they're supposed to be a good person to you. They're supposed to be a friend to you. They're supposed to be, you know, wherever they are to you guys. And then if they don't let you in on what's going on with them, that's really not a good thing. Because if you could tell them most of the things they want to know about you, and you letting them in on things, but they not letting you in on things with them, then what's the sense in telling them anything about you? You know what I'm saying? So don't do that. I wouldn't do it. I'm not doing it no more. Because I feel that's unjust. It's definitely unjust and unfair. But anyway, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this burping video. I did promise I would do this video, so I'm going to try to put this with another burping video and keep all the burping videos together. Should be, I don't know, I forgot what you call that. It's like they have a space for like pranks and like do-it-yourself videos and like um talk talking videos and different things that's there. I don't know, because they done switched YouTube around a lot, like the site or whatever. They kind of changed things around a little bit, so I don't know exactly where you will find that, but you will find it. You will find it, or you just gotta go through the videos. But what I'm saying is, I want to like put one thing like the talking videos, relationship videos, like in one thing by itself, so you know the viewers could view if that's what they're interested in, and then like the prank videos in one thing, the ones that interested in that, to separate it. You guys, I'm sure you've been on YouTube for a while, so I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And I'm finished, so that's gonna conclude the video, guys. I have to do another video, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Be safe out here, and I see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.